this tech snips, we're going to focus on how to clear your DNS cache with PowerShell. Now, in order to manage your local DNS cache with PowerShell, you'll need the DNS server module. In order to install the DNS module on a Windows 10 operating system, you will need to install the Remote Server Administration Tools package. Now, to look at our local client, you first run the get DNS client cache commandlet. This will show you your local DNS client cache is equivalent to running ipconfig/display DNS. Now, if we would like to clear our DNS cache, we just run the clear DNS client cache commandlet, which is equivalent to running ipconfig/flush DNS. This cleared our DNS cache. And now if you want to run get DNS client cache again, we will see no results are returned. Our DNS cache has been cleared. That covers clearing your local DNS cache. Thank you for watching.